baby. Walk in the club, my heater, baby. Damn, hello, good evening, baby. I'm having cheat like Velveeta, baby. I mean, my head ain't seen me lately. Until I pull up in the drop top. Got your bruh cold in a crop top. You want smoke, we gon' make it a hot box.
Loser.
Alright, y'all. So in this video, there's gonna be another LED install. I know I have videos like this on my channel already from different vehicles, but I didn't get a chance to use it on the last vehicle I put it on because I ended up selling the car like the day after or so. So I'm gonna be putting some on a Jeep today. Pretty much the same color patterns and stuff like that, but I think it's a little bit different. This only has 4 strips, the other one had like 6. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get it mocked up on the ground outside so y'all can see what it looks like, and then we're gonna jump right into it. All right, quick little update. I did get it mapped out. It's kind of hard to see, but pretty much this one will go up front. This one will go along this side of the car. This one will go along this side of the car, and this smaller one right here will go around the back. But yeah, let me see if I can get up under there and see if I can find places to stick it, and I'll keep y'all updated. All right, y'all, I got everything installed and wired up and everything. I'll go ahead and explain it to y'all tomorrow on how I ran everything. But for now, I just want to give y'all a look on what the lights look like. I just got it now flashing through all the colors so y'all can see different colors. I didn't record too much of it because it started getting dark, and plus I've already have content of me sticking LED lights up under the car. Pretty much self-explanatory, but like I said, tomorrow when it's more light, I'll go through and I'll show y'all what I actually did and how I did it. All right, y'all, so I just got these headrest pillows that I had ordered. I don't know how they're gonna look. I just wanted to try them out, so I'm gonna get these installed real quick. Pretty much just a pillow that goes on the headrest. Nothing, it's not rocket science. All right, so this is what the headrest is looking like. I surprisingly like it. I really didn't think I would like it, but it's actually comfortable. And also I installed this Amazon Alexa Auto. They had these on sale for Prime Day for like 15 bucks. But y'all probably don't care about that, but if you use Alexa Live, it's very helpful. All right, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a quick look on how I installed everything. While I'm up top, I still gotta mount this or stick this to the side, but I just pretty much got it ran straight to the battery. I might move it. Well, I'm gonna move it and tap it into a fuse when I get the fuse block thing. But that's how it is up top for right now. Up under the car, turn the light on. I got it ran along this side, and then both of them run down against the subframe, and then they'll go behind the wheel well, and I'll show y'all on this side. They both come down along here behind the mud flap and run to this light down here, and on the back from the other side, it runs up. It runs up higher. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then picks up. And I had to put the light on the back of the tow bar because there's really nowhere to put it up under here. I'm eventually gonna move the back one, but for now it'll be fine. It ain't gonna go nowhere. But yeah, I already showed y'all what it's looking like at night. Very clean, no wires showing, very minimal. So that's gonna do it for this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.